We've heard about data scientists, and I've explained to you what they normally do. We have data analysts. You've heard about business analyst. You've heard about marketing analyst, financial analyst. So I talked about this when I said, these are people who manipulate data and be able to present information that the management is able to consume. They're able to predict the future. If the product the company is selling, they're able to predict if it's going to sell in the next 5 years. They're able to see that, right? So we have data engineers. You remember I said data mining? This is where this guy stays. These guys are the ones who mine data, they clean the data, they transform, and then they feed it into, and they give it to data analysts. They can give it to machine learning engineers. You remember when I said the machine learning? They're engineers who develop those models or algorithms so that they can feed to robots, right? Those, and I've said the algorithm for learning, they get information from these data engineers. Then they try to learn and direct the robots. Then we have the AI architect. So AI architects are the one who design the entire artificial intelligence system. So be it the robots, they have it's like an architecture, the normal architecture for houses and stuff. So it's just similar one. So they have a clear roadmap, a blueprint of the entire project, from sourcing data up to the robot, the way the robot looks like and everything. So these are the guys who are supposed to design that. So we have the AI software developers. So the AI software developers, you remember, there's the AI and there's the software engineering in it. For software engineers, we have the web applications, we have the mobile applications, we have the desktop applications. So these engineers are supposed to come up with those softwares that interact with AI components. So let me give you a good example. Facebook is an application, right? But inside the Facebook, there are AI components that gives you suggestion of similar products you've cited previously. That gives you a suggestion of your friends. You've seen that when you follow somebody, they also give you suggestion. Oh, this friend is a friend to somebody. Then they give you an opportunity to follow them. So that is the work of software developer. They develop softwares that integrate with AI components. So we have natural language processing. So the natural language processing is that this voluminous amount of data, you process them. Like, for example, an example is ChatGPT. You prompt them, you give them anything, and they process for you. So you ask yourself, how do they achieve this, right? They use what we call natural language processing. It's a capability, it's an AI capability, whereby it collects this information and give you exactly what you want. Sometimes you get surprised. How did they know that this is what I want? And they give you exactly what you wanted, right? So you wonder. So they use what you call natural language processing capabilities. And they are engineers who are actually developing such. So there are guys there are guys who developed ChatGPT, and they were able to create that application so that you can Google anything. You can not Google, you can search anything. So we have AI ethics specialists. So ethics specialists are the ones who try to manage development of this AI and the use of this AI so that this AI capabilities is not abused. So there are people who are specialists, and they are giving guidance from time to time. And even if you go to ChatGPT, when you try to search for something, right, they will tell you that it is not in their terms. Even Facebook, they tell you this. When you try to post an inappropriate photo, they'll tell you definitely this is not appropriate. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep exploring, and take the first step in your AI journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.